Mar, please. Central Mar, representative. Ready, Asho? First possession, red.
Ang laki ng katawan mo.
4-3. First basket, 3 points agad. Mangkamer, his favorite shot, no good. Loving with the rebound. Oh, turnover by Red.
Kadukot si Bob. Kadukot lang diyan.
Representative ng Central Mar, please. Big Mike, no good. George with the rebound, fakes. Follows it up, no good. Jay controls the board. Trey to Jay, to Logan, throws it up, no. No rebound by Luka. Luka to James, to George. George, pass to Big Mike. To James, through, no good. No rebound by Bob. Pray for 3, no. Rebound by James. Steal by Trey. Steal by Big Mike. Long pass to Luka, but intercepted by Bob. Jay to Bob for 3. Again. Back-to-back threes for Bob. 6-0 is the score.
Again, it's about defense.
7 minutes 40 remaining in the first. Foul on number 80, Bert. That's first personal, first team foul on the shield. George, jumper, no rebound, goes back to him. Pass to Mike, Big Mike, double team, stolen by Trey. He was stopped by Trey. Logan, yes! All points coming from the Rainbow territory by Amishi. 3 points by 11. 9-0. Steal by Bob. Don't pass to steal by George. George jumper. Nope. Trey rebounds it. Goes to close. 3 on 2. Back to Logan. The Trey. All day. Nope. James rebound. For Luka jumper. Short. Long rebound by Bob. Logan. To Jay. Out to Bob. Behind the back. And the steal by Nakanor. Jumper Luka. Nope. Tap by Trey to Bob. To JJ. Attacks. 2 points. 11-0. Timeout. Neighborhood Roofing. That's their first timeout. Substitution this time. Thank you. Winston Mike blocked by Bert. Recovered by George, but he got fouled by number 78. Bong. First personal on Bong, second team foul on the shield. However, by Big Mike, that's the first basket by Neighborhood Roofing. 11-2. Ball pass to Julie, rebounded by Jackson. Long 3 for 3. Nope. Rebounded by George. Big Mike, no good. Follow up. Yes. Rebound. 2 points for Big Mike. 11-4. Down to 7. Driving down the ball, back it out to Bird. Bird, Julie, got the same Trey, resets it, pass it to nobody, steal by Mike. George, Nante, no good, out. Red ball. Ray to Julie. Against 2. He got fouled by number 2, Reynante. First personal on Reynante. Second team foul. First. Ball jumper short, rebounded by Jackson. Trey resets it. Pass ball, he got fouled by George. First personal on George, second team foul on Neighborhood Roofing. 2 minutes 55, score is 11-4. On the shield, 2 shots or ball. Masuk. Saya cap masuk. Bad boy. Reynante to George. Wow, that pass. Cleaning out. But there's a foul. Number 78. Ball. Loose ball. Second personal on ball.
Nagbabadala itong referee. Itong lalaki ito yung mahirap tumawag. Lalaki.
Second basket for George is good. 12-5. 7. But yeah, pagalitin yung tila yun. Good bumper. 14-5, 9-point lead by on the shield with time remaining 1:15 in the first quarter. Gibson pressuring George. Strong pass, turnover. Oh, there's a foul. Number 8 to Bert. Loose ball foul on Bert. Second personal. 27, another foul. 47, Trey. Relax, relax. Run. Now to red. let's go.
Mahirap yan.
Hindi nga ba? Kasi yung mga iba, hindi naman consistent na punto.
Yan nga, yan yung problema.
Eh, akong mahirapan dyan.
Pinili yung ball yata.
Pwede yan maglaro.
Okay, one-on-one for Mike.
Kasi, ang hirap
First
mo-
basket for Mike is good. 46.
Isa.
Down to 8.
Sino?
Oy,
Hindi natin.
Tatlo, apat.
Yan,
Isang
tama.
Second
second basket on net for Big Mike. 14-7, 14-7. 30 seconds remaining in the first. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Nice pass by Jimmy. Good play. 16-7. 5 seconds remaining. It's gonna count if it goes in, but the score is 16-7. Blue ball, next possession. Let's start the second quarter.
Jump, Char!
Okay, let's play this way. Steal by Trey. Foul. Foul on George. That's his second personal. First team foul on Neighborhood. Trey. Steal by George. George straight to the basket. He got blocked.
Ay, nakakuta na! Sab na!
Mike jumper, yes! That's a three. Left, that's a three. 2, 3, okay, 3 points. 16-10, down to 6. Lovin to Jay. To ball fake, takes it. He got fouled again by George. George, that's your third personal. Second team foul on Neighborhood Roofing. 2 shots for Bong. Third personal on George. All net for Bong. 17-10.
Nakabawi si Bung eh.
All net. All net and all net. 10, 8-point lead for all net. 8 minutes. 8 minutes to go in the second quarter. George, he got fouled by Jinson.
That's foul there.
That's Jinson's first team foul. 2 shots for George.
Pasahan nyo naman si Lito.
Give it a good one. First basket by George is good. 8-11. Baby pala. First second basket by George is also good. 18-12. Down to 6. It's a close ball game. A lot of basketball minutes to play. 7 minutes 20 remaining. Jason, 11 to James. Back to 11, 3. Nope. Jason, rebound. Ball drives, pass it up, still the guy now, maybe. Now maybe using his step on top. I believe it. Ball to Logan. Back the ball. Guarded by Big Mike. Turnaround shot by Jay for 2 is good. 20-12. by 8 again. On the shield. And remaining 6 minutes 30 in the second quarter. Good Mike Brooks. Jumper short. Rebound by Trey. Trey to Jay. Back to Trey. Trey with 3. No good. Luka rebound. Foul on number 87, 11. Lovin's first personal, second team foul on the shield. 5:43. Makano, Kuya Eddie, Luka. Yes! A little quick release. Assist by Kuya Eddie. Score is 20-15. Di po makalayo ang Omni. Trey, the ball for 3, no? Rebound. George versus Jason. George stays. Throws it out to Luka. Oh, yun na naman. Dito na. Bakit dito? Nagdalawang isip. Sayang. Rebound by Bong.
Itinakbo sana ni Kanor.
Loven. Pass to Trey, back to Loven. Loven fakes. Lies in the basket. He got that and one. Number 77 foul. Let's do the substitution before the free throw. Wala din. Ang ilan na foul? Luka, that's his first personal. 13th foul on neighborhood. Score is 22-15, 7-point lead. Bonus shot. Bonus shot for Loven. Stop. Loven out. Let's go, let's play. 4 minutes to go. 23-15, back to an 8-point lead. Steal by Trey. Down to Julie. Out the ball for 3. Nope. Nice box out by James. Steal again by Trey. Mukhang magaling nga pa niya. Tandaan using. Julie for 3. Nope. Long rebound, or rebound by Reynante. Still by Bert. Okay pa si Mike. Yeah. Para fair down. Trey for 3. No short. Oh, he follows the shot. Gets the rebound. Bob. The ball. Almost taken by Luka. Off pass to Julie. So Bert. Favorite jumper. Yeah. Yes. Go through. Nice, a 10-point lead, 25-15. Dribble shoot. James to Reynante, to Winston thinks about it. Pass back. Oh, turnover by Blue. 2 minutes, 25. Ball. Steal by Winston. Winston stays to the basket. No good. He recovers the rebound. Pass to Reynante. Rebound by Master. Assist by Master. Ulang na lang.
Shoot by Master.
Master. Shooting. Together ng mga guwapo. Julie, back to Trey. The Bob open for 3. Nope. Mike powerful rebound. He got down by 80.
Relax lang, foul yun.
Foul ni Bert.
Nasa likod. That was an easy goal.
Third personal by Bert. Foul on Julie. First personal on Julie. Third personal on Bert. 14 fouls now on Omni. One more. They're on the penalty. 1 minute, 5 to go. Mike jumper short. Bert with the rebound. Timeout. On the shield. No more timeouts for on the shield. One more for Neighborhood Roofing. 56.3 seconds to go. Now go. Julie. James rebound. 35 seconds remaining. George for three. Yes! 25-20, down to 5 with that three-point shot by George. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. And split ball. 3. The Jason, the J jumper. Yes, he got the bounce. 27-20. Buti na lang nanalo kami para next meron pa kami. Mike, pass it out to James, to George. George, no. Red ball. Oh, lampas. Wow.
Ingat rin.
2 shots for Big Mike. Whose foul is it? 47-3. Second personal on Trey. First team foul. 2 shots for Big Mike. First basket is good. 27-21. Second basket. Second basket tonight. 22-27. Trey to Melvin. Cross basket. Haunting na ang mga ate. Gapot. Kalahating toothpick. George. Hopa! Nope. Makalaw rebound. He got down. Third personal.
Trey.
Third personal on Trey. Second team foul on the shield. 2 shots for Mancador to Kuya Eddie.
Magaan pa siya, no? Magaan!
Jay rebound. Almost a steal. Good pass by James, good defense. The Jason 3, nope. George controls the board. He got fouled by Jay, number 50.
Ball.
First personal on Jay. Third team foul on the shield. Mike using the glass for 2. Tatlo na lang, 27-24. Humahabol na po ang neighborhood.
Stay on him!
Jackson to Jay, out to Lovett for 3. Yes! Up to the pool and Shizuka. 30-24. Luka against Fox. Big Mike spin, jumper. Last touch by Blue. Trailing to Jason. The ball bounce pass to Jay. He lost the ball. Good defense. Substitution. This is the last 5 minutes of the third. The score is 30-24, 6-point lead for Omnish. George attacks, jumper short, trailing the rebound, completely covers it. To Junior, nails it up, no! Rebound, got down by George. Fourth personal on George. First team foul on Neighborhood. 2 shots for Jimmy. First basket by Jimmy is good. 31-24. Second basket, no good. Foul on 80. Bert. Fourth personal on Bert. Fourth personal. Fourth team foul on Omni. Our move by Big Mike. 31-26. 5 ang kalamangan ng Omni.
Go through!
Bert. Di nag-dribble eh. Big Mike rebound, ang pass to Wilson, stealer ni Chul. Mukhang nakakain ng masarap na pagkain, ang bilis. Dami, nawalang laman. Puro gulay. Puro sili. Trey for 3, no. George with the rebound. George to Big Mike, 3-on-1. Side steps. He rebound again by Mike Wilson. Recovers it, takes, moves to Luka for three, short. Jay controls the board. Jay, floater, no good. Rebound naman ni Jay. So Jay, strong pass, Levine was able to recover. Almost a steal. Was it? Red ball almost a steal by Winston. Ball remains with Red. 2 minutes 14 remaining in the third quarter. 31-26. Bob, back to Julie. Julie to Bert. To Jay. Jay attacks. No good. George controls it. Bounce pass to Winston. Too strong. George rebound. To Luka decides to pass to Reynante for three, short. Let go by Red. 1 minute 40 in the third quarter, 31-26. 5-point lead by Armishu. Still everybody's holding. Trey for three. There we go. Who gets it? 34-26. George. That's by Bert. Almost a steal. Big Mike recovers it. Winston. Back to Hernante. To George. George for three. Short. Trey with the rebound. 55 seconds remaining. Julie all day for three. No. Trey still gets a rebound. Pass to Julie. Pass to Jay. Blue ball. Good defense by
They're wasting that. And they're wasting that too.
Ba't mo ginawa, Persu?
Ano ba yan?
Boss Persu, ba't mo ginawa? Tayo din natin. 18 seconds to go. 15 seconds. Julie short. Red ball. Bob. Yes! Bob. Big shot, Bob. 37-26. 11-point lead. It's the Euro. We still have 1 quarter to go. Blue ball open substitution. 24-second shot clock is on.
Blue ball, blue. Oh, hey, need one more. I got George.
Coach Faker. James. Big Mike. Double team. Jumper. Nope. George with a rebound. Jason. Again to Jay. Jay was Is it a free throw situation? It's a free throw. First foul on Kuya Eddie. First big foul on Neighborhood this quarter. 2 shots? No, it's loud one loud. Nakap niya. Hot foul. First free throw by Jay is no good. 27-26. 9 minutes. Short, no good. Magpanol. Wow. Ito Magpanol. Grabe, sorry. Jane to George. To James. James for 3. Short. Love it. Ay, dito ako sa kaliwang nakatakas. Kanan. 2 point. 39-26. 30-point lead by Abishir. George against Jason. Turn pass to Big Mike. Thanks. Wow, escape. What an escape. Hey! Sayang. Love it. Ito, gusto dyan. Hindi kasi exactly with him. Follow Luka. Yeah, he's a good. Second foul on Luka. Second team foul on Neighborhood. Ball to Jay. Jay spins. Knocking it out. Luka with the rebound. Big Mike. Jumper, yes. All by Big Mike. 39-28, 11. With 7 minutes 15 to go. Still a long ball game. 14-second shot clock. Luka rebounds it. 15-second shot clock. George escapes, yes! Using the glass, 39-30, one-digit lead, 9 points. 6 minutes 40. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Lower, no. Tap the ball. Yes, assist by Logan. Rebound, assist by Logan. And then 2 points for ball. 41-30, 6 minutes 10 to go. 15-second shot clock. Luka side shot, no good. Jay controls the board. 6 minutes to go. Foul on Korea Eddie. Second personal on Korea Eddie. Third team foul on Neighborhood. 5 minutes 35. Love and fakes. Jumper, nope, short. He still gets the ball. Rebound by Mike. Luka for 3. Yeah, sayang. Out, blue ball. 5 minutes to go.
Go, 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 go! Go, Lali Mike, Lali!
15-second shot clock. Wow, what a layup by Jay. 43-30.
Last 5 na lang.
15-second shot clock, no good. Don't rebound by Big Mike. Nice to the miss. Trey rebound, outlet to JJ. Yes. 45-30. I'm out. Neighborhood Roofing. That's their first timeout. Time remaining 4 minutes 4 seconds. 15-point lead by Omishir, 45-30.
Lagyan mo yan ng waistband sa pag-iganon mo. Kahit na masakit. Ayan. Parang pag-ibig lang yan. Let's go! Lalim, Mike. Lalim. Jason, twice to beat na eh. May twice to beat na eh.
Wala, tatawag din siya. Nandiyan siya ng condition.
Rebound by Junli.
Sino? Ah, wala pa si Udi pala, no?
Iba naman ang game pag dito.
Bert, straight. 15-second shot clock. Logan. Rebound by Bert. Logan, hook shot. And 47-30. 3 minutes, 20 to go.
Hatag bola, hatag.
Second shot clock. Rebound by Trey. Bird, 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Trey, tinignan pa yung kamay. 15, 20-point lead. Two points. 50-30. With starting 2 points. Second shot clock. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Brought to you by Ashong Smith. 150 remaining.
Loka. Good game, good game.